Live an optimal life, through health and wellness. Be well, get well, and stay well.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we'll open it up to question and answers. I have a question right off the bat. So you said support the immune system. I know personally from talking with people with autoimmune challenges that they're scared.
Right.
Because my body's attacking itself. So why should people with autoimmune diseases not be afraid to do things to support their immune system?
You know, that's a really great question. So we think when our body's attacking itself, if we give more immune support to it, that it's going to attack itself even more, right?
Right.
Because we've been told by our doctors, this is what we need to do. And so we think, well, if we give something to support our immune system, it's going to attack itself more. That's actually kind of a myth, if I can actually dispel that a little bit. What we need to do is we need to support the immune system. The reason the immune system's attacking itself is it's confused. It has some type of foreign body, okay, i.e. inflammation, okay, or maybe a protein that's been broken down or not digested correctly. And what it's doing is it's actually sending a signal to say, hey, we got an invader here. We don't recognize it, okay? And so then it'll actually increase that immune system. That's where giving yourself immune support, now it'll calm your immune system down and allow your body to start differentiating between self and foreign particles. So it's really important.
Oh, I like that. Thank you. Thanks for watching. And remember, one change can have an enormous effect. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell and the like, and we'll see you next time on Love to Live.